Are you making enough sales online to fire your nasty boss and live the life of freedom? If no, then what's preventing you from having the freedom of time and money even when you have everything in place from constructing the best bridge page to the best content written, but you cannot skyrocket the sales? The answer is you are not getting quality buyer traffic to your site. Traffic is the lifeblood of any business. No matter how good your product is, but without traffic, you cannot create the desired freedom lifestyle. Watch the video till the end because at the end I'll give you my custom bonuses which are worth $1,000 all for free. You might have heard the saying, the money is in the list, but how do you get the list? No one is born with a huge quality buyer list, and paying for traffic costs huge amount of money every time you want to make a sale. It is often difficult for people on a budget to spend huge amounts of money on traffic, especially during these uncertain times you need to save cash. Even if you do spend money on traffic, you are not sure whether you will be able to recover it or not. If you buy solo ads, you might get cheap clicks and you end up losing money. So why don't you take out some time and learn all about getting leads, followers, and subscribers from 9 different unsaturated platforms? What if I told you that now quality buyer traffic is on tap? You might have seen so many products claiming get traffic with just a click of a button. But to be honest, you and I, we both know that there is no such push a button to success. To succeed online or in any field of life requires a lot of hard work and time. But there is one way that can surely lead you to success in short period of time, and that is to learn from someone who has already gone through all the hard work and succeeded in it. Let me introduce you to Darren Brown, an experienced internet marketer who has gone through the thick and thin of digital marketing and battle tested all the alternative traffic methods, and now he is willing to share with you all the 9 unsaturated traffic methods that you can learn from him and apply in your business to succeed in short period of time. He has come up with all the information you need to get quality buyer traffic in his alternative traffic methods. Here I am inside my members area. Inside it looks like this. Here you will get complete step-by-step instructions directly from Darren that you need to get massive traffic for your affiliate and digital marketing needs. It starts with the introduction, and I will quickly play it for you.
Yeah, hi guys, my name is Darren and thank you very much for purchasing alternative traffic methods. Now I hope it's going to help you as it has helped me, and this is the reason why I compiled these unsaturated traffic methods to help you, because I have actually battle tested these and it does work. It does improve followers, it does improve leads, and it does improve subscribers. So this is going to really help you on your journey for being affiliate marketing and digital marketing needs.
On the left is Free Traffic Sources Guide. It will show you how you can tap into real traffic that will drive you leads and sales. It will show you the proven methods on how to build an email list for free. As one of the very common mistakes people in affiliate marketing make is not building an email list. Having an email list is having traffic on tap. Darren has got you covered. You will get a software that works best for leads and email generation for free. On the right, you can see all the tools you need to quickly and easily grow your online business. free training area where Darren reveals his secret tips and tricks to help you to succeed online with digital marketing. You can also access Darren's Facebook group, website, and YouTube channel where you can access him directly. Then the course is divided into 9 videos. As you can see here, video 1 is followed by the rest of 8 videos. And at the end, you will get unannounced free bonuses where you will learn how to make multiple Twitter accounts without getting banned. On the right, you can see 3 more free bonuses which will further help you drive traffic. Getting traffic from 9 unsaturated platforms which alternative traffic methods show is so beneficial rather than buying traffic every single time. I hope it's going to help you as it helped me, and this is the reason I made this review on these unsaturated traffic methods, because these are actually better tested and proven traffic methods. When you'll get alternative traffic methods by the link below this video, you'll also get my custom bonuses for free, which are worth $1,000. Bonus 1. Affiliate Marketing Secrets Exposed. The right way to earn through affiliate marketing. It costs $97, but right now you will get it for free. Bonus number 2. How to create high converting videos. It will enable you to easily make high converting promo videos that make you money. It costs $297, but right now you will get it for free. Bonus number 3. Facebook ad retargeting, a step-by-step guide on maximizing your ad results. It costs $499, but right now you will get it for free. Bonus number 4. Hacking Google Images for SEO, a complete step-by-step video course. It costs $399, but right now you will get it for free. Bonus number 5. How to make your WordPress site SEO friendly, a step-by-step video course. It costs $199, but right now you will get it for free. Bonus number 6. If you take action today, then you will get access to the vendor's special bonuses, all for free. So click the link below to secure your copy and free bonuses, and above all, this solves your traffic problem. Peace out. See you next time.